Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the Houndstooth stitch, which is an easy crochet stitch, but it gives a rich texture. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. To start with, for row 1, I'll be working 21 chains. And once you're done with 21 chains, work one single crochet on the second chain from the hook. So we're going to work one single crochet on the second chain from the hook, and we are going to work one double crochet on the next chain. So we're going to alternate between single crochet in one chain and a double crochet on the next chain. So keep working this way till the end, and you should end with a double crochet. So we are going to work one single crochet in one chain and one double crochet in the next. So now I'm done with my row 2. So I'm going to attach a black yarn or any other yarn of your choice, and then I will gently snug in the tails of both the yarns together and work a chain 1. Turn your work, hold the tails together. So we are not going to cut any of our yarn here. So we are going to work with the yarns. So I'm going to hold these tails together and work one single crochet with the black yarn on the same stitch. So you're going to work like this, holding the yarns together, and then I will work one double crochet on the next stitch. So we are going to do the same thing what we have done in row 2 with a different yarn, and work one single crochet on the next and work one double crochet on the next stitch. So keep repeating single crochet in one stitch and double crochet in the next stitch, and keep working with the red yarn throughout. So now if you see, I have worked a row with my black yarn. So now we can use our red yarn, change to your red yarn, and then hold your black yarn throughout this stitch and work with the black yarn for this row 4. So hold the black yarn and work the same thing that we have done for row 3. So work one chain, turn your work, and then work 1 single crochet on the same stitch. I'm going to work chain 1, turn my work, hold on to the black yarn, and then work 1 single crochet on the same stitch, and then work 1 double crochet on the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet on the next, and 1 double crochet on the next. So keep repeating single crochet in one stitch and double crochet on the next stitch till the end. So now on, from row 5 to the number of rows that you desire to make, we are just going to repeat row 3 and row 4. So until the number of rows that we wish to make. So keep repeating row 3 and row 4 from now on, alternating between the two colors that you chose. So here it is, my sample Houndstooth swatch after making 14 rows. So this is an excellent pattern for making dishcloths, washcloths, or even a sweater. So I hope that you found this tutorial easy to follow along. Please try this at home and let me know your comments below. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.